Hello everyone. In this SolidWorks tutorial we are going to study how to use reference plane and how to draw different reference plane in SolidWorks. New part we will first sketch a cuboid in sketch. Go to front plane, sketch. For cuboid we will draw a rectangle, exit, extrude boss, give it a thickness of suppose 1 inch and a cuboid is created having thickness of 1 inch. Now we will see how the reference plane is created by selecting different plane. In features tab, go to reference geometry, select plane. Here you will see that in plane there are three types of reference: first reference, second reference, third reference. Using these three references and the combination of these references, you can plot multiple of plane in the SolidWorks. In the first case, let's draw a reference plane. Select the first reference type and select a plane. Suppose we have selected the top of this cuboid. Here are options: parallel, perpendicular, coincident, angle, distance, flip. So we will go through one by one. First is parallel. If we select parallel, a plane is created which is parallel to the selected plane. It is either on the top or at the bottom. So here the reference plane is created at the bottom of the selected plane. If you click on the perpendicular tab, you will see that a plane is created which is perpendicular to the selected plane. This is the pink color plane is your selected one, and the yellow outline plane is the plane which is perpendicular to the selected plane. If you click the coincident, both the plane, that is the reference plane, and the selected plane are coincident with each other. uh, for angle we will get back on angle later. Here is the distance. You can use a suitable distance or a specific distance between the reference plane and the selected plane. Suppose we choose a distance of 1 inch between the reference plane and the selected. So the distance between the this plane and the selected plane is 1 inch. Here is the flip option, so you can move this selected plane top or bottom side anywhere according to your need. Here is the number of planes to create it. So if you want to make three planes which are 1 inches apart from each other, so you simply increase the number of instance and you will see that a three plane each are 1 meter up 1 inches apart are created. Similarly, you can use the mid plane concept. For using mid plane, you have to use two planes. Suppose we have selected the top plane and we select the bottom plane. So a mid plane which is between the top and bottom is created automatically. Now coming to the angle part, how to make a plane which is a specific angle with a certain plane. Suppose we have selected this plane and uh, this edge. Sorry, the red color shows this rebuild error, means there is something error while creating the reference plane. So initially we have to select a edge with which we want to make a plane. For example, we have selected this edge, a plane is created, and you can assign a angle. For example, you want to assign a angle of certain degree. So a plane passing through this edge and making an angle with this plane according to your need. Suppose you want to make an angle of 60 degree with it, so you just simply write 60 degree and sorry 60 degree and hit enter. So a plane which is 60 degree inclined to this plane is created. You can also flip it 60 degree clockwise direction, 60 degree anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, you can create mid-plane, coincide, perpendicular. So in that case, perpendicular is not possible. So it will shows you rebuild error. You can also create a plane by using three vertices. Suppose you want to create a plane which is passing through this point, and this point. So you have to simply select the vertices from which you want to create a plane. Suppose vertex this, and this. So a plane is created which is passing through these 3 points. So simply this 3 point will only lie in one plane, and this is the plane. If you want to make a different plane, let's see what will happen if we change the vertex 2. Uh, if you make vertex 2 as this vertex, so a plane is created again on which all the three vertices lies. Simply Similarly, you can make any kind of plane according to your need. So for drawing any plane, you need maximum three references. You can use any combination of these references to make your plane. Suppose you can use two vertices to create your plane. Sorry, two edges to create your plane. Suppose I have select this edge and this edge. A plane is created which is passing through these two vertices, and this is the plane. So this is all about references. uh, Sit, you hit green button and you will get your references plane. Similarly, you can use axis, coordinate system, point and mate references. We will go through these references in the coming tutorials. We will tell you about axis very shortly. If you go to reference axis, so you can select, suppose this is a reference axis is created, and you can use this axis to give dimension or anything with reference to this axis. So this is all about reference geometry, a reference plane and reference axis. Thank you very much.